Hello, hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Today is Friday, July the 10th, and it is time for Duck Duck Dishcloth. So, I am a few weeks behind because of life. We went on family vacation. Um, and I'm trying to think why I missed it the other week. I cannot remember. There's been so much happening. But what I wanted to do was come on and just share with you the last couple of weeks. Let me see. This would have been, today is, today's the 9th. So the 2nd, no, today's the 10th. So the 3rd, the 26th. Okay. The 26th, we did the popcorn stitch. And I'm pretty sure I'm doing this right. What we're doing is we're using this book right here. Missi at Missi's Yarniverse and More started this, and I joined in because I needed some projects to take for our homemakers holiday in November. And so I thought that making dishcloths would be something I could do. 31 of these, and I can take them with me and sell them to raise money for our homemakers club. So I jumped right in, and I needed some dishcloths for my kitchen. So here we go. So what happens is Missi decided to call this Duck Duck Dishcloth, and it's kind of related to the kids game Duck Duck Goose. And what she's done, she has a box that she decorated to look like a little duck pond, and excuse me, she has little rubber duckies inside. And what we did, we took the book. There's 31 of these dishcloth patterns, so we numbered them 1 through 31, and then she will choose so many ducks each week, and the last one she'll pull them out, duck, 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 and the last one she'll say dishcloth, and then whatever number is written on the bottom of that little ducky, that is the dishcloth that we do from the book. Sometimes she'll pull out a ducky and it'll say release the quacking, and she has these big ducks that have a free pattern that she's printed off, either Yarnspirations or wherever, and we go to that website and get the pattern and work that one instead of one in the book. And there was 4 of those, and I believe we've done all 4 of them now. So 2 weeks ago we did the popcorn, and oh, something else she does, we work on those for a week. We send her a picture of what we made, and then she puts together a little ducky parade, and every Thursday she puts out one video that shows everybody's dishcloths that they made, and then she puts another video out where she chooses a duck for the next week's dishcloth. And so she does that every Thursday. I already have something planned on our channel for Thursdays, so I show mine on Friday. So 2 weeks ago we did the popcorn dishcloth, and it was this one right here. And I love making those stitches. Do they call it a, yep, they call it a popcorn stitch. I wanted to make sure, but those stitches are really neat. They give you a gauge, they give you whatever, but we don't do, like Missi says, we don't do no stinking gauge. You can use whatever yarn you want, whatever size hook you want. So I used a 5mm hook and a 4-weight yarn, and it was the Karen Cotton Cake, I think. Trying to remember. I don't have the band up here with me to tell you what the name of it was. But anyway, it's a variegated, well, not really variegated, but it has multiple colors inside the cake. And this is what mine looks like. This is how mine turned out. I really like it. It's really cute. There's light, you can really, I don't know if the camera's showing it really well or not, but light blue, then a gray, and then it goes into like a, this is more like a coral color. It looks real pink on here, but it's like a coral. And so that is what my popcorn dishcloth looks like. Put it up here, maybe you can see the popcorns better. So there's my popcorn dishcloth. Now, the next week, the ducks released the last quacking. That was the 26th, I believe. Yes. No, the 26th was when this one was done. The following week, the 2nd, the 2nd of July, we did a quacking, and it was a Yarnspirations pattern, and I believe it was called the Daisy. I cannot talk today. I believe it was called the Daisy Dishcloth, and I forgot again to pull this up on my phone. Let me pull it up here and show you. I believe it's something Daisy or Daisy Dishcloth. Whoops. If I could spell it right, it would come up correctly. Stop. All these pop-ups keep coming up on my phone. It's driving me crazy. Let me see. That's not it. There it is. It's called the Bernat Crochet. Don't allow. It is called the Bernat Daisy Wheel Dishcloth. There it is right there. Bernat Daisy Wheel Dishcloth. And so that was the free pattern that the Quackins chose for us to make. And so I used blue and white 24/7 cotton from Premier, 24/7 cotton, and this is what my Daisy dishcloth looked like. So there's my 2 dishcloths for the last 2 weeks that I missed showing you all. And let me put them down here with my other dishcloths. The one that was picked this week is called Spiral, and it's cute. And I've already made mine, but I'm not going to show you till next week. It went together super fast. I think I made it in like, maybe 30-45 minutes. I had it made. I didn't really time it, but it didn't take long at all. But this is the one we're doing for this coming week, and it's called the Spiral. Isn't that cute? Double crochets and chains. That's it. Double crochets, chains, and you skip stitches. Do skip stitches. I used a Caring Cotton Cake again and a 4mm hook, and I'll show you my results of mine next week. But that is what this one is called. It's the Spiral. And so stay tuned. Make sure after you've watched my videos, if you haven't seen Missi's yet, go over to Missi's Yarniverse and More and look at the Duck Duck Parade and see all of them. Mine won't be on there because I was late getting my pictures turned in. But next week you will see my slideshow. In the slideshow, you will see all of mine that I've done so far. So that's it. Duck Duck Dishcloth. I'm having a lot of fun. Thank you, Missi, for allowing me to join in on this, and I'm really enjoying this. We have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 more dishcloths to do. So that means we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We should, if everything goes well, by the 10th of September, we will be finished with the Duck Duck Dishcloth. So, fun. But I love it. This has really been fun. My plans after we get finished with Duck Duck Dishcloth for my Fridays is I'm going to start doing some fun Fridays. And I don't know yet what that's going to be. It'll just be fun stuff that I share. Whether it's something I'm working on, something fun I'm working on, yarn that I got that came in, whatever. But we will see. So, Monday, not tomorrow, because I don't do videos on the weekends. Tomorrow, or Monday, I can't get the word Monday out evidently. Monday is my 1 o'clock live with my members. But I'm going to have a special video out for everyone where I am going to show you some yarn that I got in. I've got lots and I cannot wait to show you. Premier was running a sale, and We Crochet was running a sale, and I got some yarn and I can't wait to show you what I got. And you'll have to help me decide what to make with what I've got. So I will be showing that to you on Monday. Tuesday, that's my office day. Will not be doing anything that during the day. There will not be a video from me, but I do have to leave out to go to Ohio. My aunt passed away, so I am going to the funeral. And so Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher, she will be doing the live Tuesday night by herself. I will be on the road. I will not be able to be there to do the live with her. Then Wednesday will be Battle of the Stitches, and that'll be where I show you my finished project and the tutorial on what I made and how to make it. Thursday, and I will have all of these pre-recorded so that while I'm in Ohio, you'll still have them. They'll still come out. Thursday will be my devotion Thursday, and we'll do another devotional and a little surprise to go along with it, like I did with my worry worm, if you watched it this week. And then Friday, I'll show you my finished dishcloth. So that's what next week will be. And yeah, I'm excited. Fun things happening right here on Critters Crochet. I hope you guys watched my video from yesterday, where I had 2 videos out yesterday. I did my devotional video, and then yesterday afternoon I put out a second video, and it was the video where I announced our Christmas in July ugly Christmas sweater make along. I really want you guys to join in on that. I think it's going to be tons of fun. If you missed that video, go back. It's on my channel. If I think about it, I'll link that video in the description box of this one so that you can go check it out. It's also on my playlist. It's called Ugly Christmas Sweater 2026. Ugly Christmas Sweater Make Along 2026. So go to my playlist and check it out. I'll also have it linked below so you can go check it out. But I would really love for a lot of you, I would love it if everybody did it, but I know not everybody will. But I hope that a big chunk of you decide to join in on this make along, because it's going to be so much fun. So I'm going to get off of here. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Bye.